All right, more progress on the old C10. We're finding every ding, we're getting them blocked down. We stripped this windshield frame down to bare metal. This is a common rust spot on these trucks around that rubber gasket. Especially the corners, the water will get in there and set, and it'll lead it out. Even I've seen them with really good paint jobs that this was bad under the glass. So we stripped it all down in naked metal, and we used, which I've seen us use this before, it will, I like to put this on underneath the primer. We put this down, let it dry. When we do our body work and we prime the truck, this is underneath that primer. So you've got a converter that keeps that rust from ever growing. Just an extra step, but it make it a nice outcome. Well, as straight as she was and as clean as she was, no rust anywhere in this stupid phone focus. We got our first casualty right here. She's got a little rust in the cab corner. So, yep, we're going to have to weld anyway. There we go. She's been sitting wet for a while. When Taylor got her sanded down, she started puking the old water out. So, yep, cab corners it is. We're finna check the other side, and you never would have noticed that. She was so clean, kind of dark in there. We will fix it and throw some preventative on it. Look at this thing not zooming, not focusing. All right, we'll start that now. He's gonna check this one. Usually they go in pairs, so we'll see. Yeah, we didn't notice that cab corner being bad before. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pull the cab back off of it again so we can get that cab corner fixed correctly. It's hard to see down low like that. And yeah, a little bit of backup work. All right, she's pulled again. This is that cab corner we're gonna have to address. Now at least we got that one to get to it. Take a moment to appreciate that bottom side though, my word. How clean is that? She's beautiful. We got ding and some rust. All right, we got it down. Yep, the drain plug there's still in, so she's just been holding water. We gotta get all that cleaned out and make sure that this stuff here can't continue to grow. Not terrible bad, but if you just tried, say you left that like so, and you just mudded over it, painted it, what happens is that rust continues to grow back here. It's eventually gonna push your brand new paint job out. So we're gonna make this nice. Looks to be just this spot. I don't see anything worse. Okay. Taylor's cleaning it out now. We're getting down to raw metal inside. And like I said, we cut out our bad spot, and we use this to make a template for a patch panel. And we've got it, it's already cut. We're going to form that curve in it just a little bit to match that angle. Then we're going to buzz her in. Looking good. And right now he's making sure there's no trapped moisture in there. But once we plug it up, she's shut forever then. Alright, Taylor's got her cleaned and shiny light in there. We shot a rust converter inside, so the inside's good forever. What you do, like in this situation, this is what our rot looked like. So we cut it out. We used this as a template, and we built a replacement to match. And if you notice, it's got a little bend, a little arch to it, so we put a little arch in this one also. Just got a little bow. And we've already put a coating on this too, so it won't rust. We'll get this buzzed in, and just a little bit of mud work, and she'll be good forever. Alright, new one is put in, she's welded out, and it feels really, really good. We're gonna put just a little light coat of filler. We'll block her down, and she'll be good for another 50 years or so.